Hello and welcome to another daily t-shirt design tutorial. My name is David Usamuje. Without wasting much of your time, I'm going to go straight right to it so that we can get this design out quick. But if you're just joining me for the first time, just know I make designs that sells. That's the aim. If you are into print on demand or you want to come into print on demand and sell your t-shirt designs on Redbubble, TeePublic, Teespring, then this is the design. This is the channel for you. Sorry. So let's get straight right to it. So I'm just going to open new tab. The first thing I want to do is to download my element. So to do that, I'm going to go to flat icons. So this is it. So this is going to be a coffee based t-shirt design. It's going to be a fun one. So please stick around. Please don't click off. I'll advise you watch to the very end. It's not going to take you much of your time. Max 10-11 minutes. We are done. That's because I'm showing you from scratch, and I'll be doing that in every of my videos. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure you stick around and subscribe. So we're going to do coffee. We're going to do coffee. So I'm just going to do coffee. I'm now going to look for two elements, coffee cup and coffee seed. So now this will be one. I'm going to download this. Always make sure you give credit to the creators. Always make sure you do that. It's very important. You want to always give credit to the creators. So I'm going to download this. Now that that is downloaded, I'm going to go back. Who was the creator of this one? Free pick. So always make sure you give credits, super important. So now I'll go back and download coffee seed, which is this one. So I'm just going to download this. Just going to download this coffee seed. Free pick too is the creator of this one, so always make sure you give credits. Now that we have our two elements downloaded, the next step we want to do is to open Canva. Yes, you guys complained about Photoshop being too difficult, so I want to show you an easier way, which is canva.com. But remember, with canva.com, you always want your design without the background, so I advise you to get Canva Pro. So to get Canva Pro, the first link in the description, you're going to get a link for 30 days free on me. That's my way of giving you back for watching this video. So please, if you want Canva Pro 30 days free, you're not going to pay anything. All you have to do is to register with that link, sign up, and you get 30 days free on me. Then you can use that to create your designs without the white background. So with this, we're just going to click on create design, custom dimension. The standard is 4500 by 5400. That is the standard for print on demand. Create new design to open on a new tab. So this is going to be a simple design. It's not going to be complicated. It's going to be something you can do. So the first step is to click on elements. So with elements, we're just going to click on find the shape. Going to find shapes. So this is it. Click on this shape. It's going to bring it into this box. Increase it a bit. So to do that, you see my cursor here. You just over to this edge. It's going to give you the double arrow. Press on your left mouse click button and drag outwards. So now that we've increased that, we're just going to position it like so. I'd like to increase it a bit, so I'll drag my mouse again. Just drag out. So now we have that. So the next step will be for us to look for lines. Just look for lines. You see, this is line. So now we'll just click on this line. As simple as that, and we're just going to drag outwards like so. Like so. You don't want it out of your box, obviously. So now I'm going to duplicate this line. I'm just going to duplicate it. So to do that, I'm going to press on my Alt key button on my keyboard, my left mouse click button, and I'll drag downwards to duplicate the line. So now we have two lines, obviously. So now I want to shift this up a bit. So like so, and you move this to just like so. So now I'm going to duplicate this line again, and I'm going to make it a cross to the other side. So to do that, press on your Alt key button, your Shift key button, you turn that, and now you're going to click on this, and you're just going to turn it just like so. Perfect. So now we have this perfect box. Okay, we have it like so. Okay, I think okay, it looks perfect. So, it kind of look bigger, so we're just gonna make it okay. So now that we have those four boxes, okay, I'm gonna make it more than one box, so I'm gonna duplicate this again and just have it something like that. So now we have these four boxes, just like so. Now what are we going to do next? We're going to bring in our element and just duplicate them into this box. But before that, I just want to make sure we have this box all set out. So now I just want to change the color of this box because I don't want it to be super. So we'll just leave this at like this. We'll leave it like this. So now we're going to go to upload our element, upload an image or picture. So we'll go to downloads and we'll just look for our coffee seed. So yes, this is the one I want to use. I downloaded this, but I already downloaded this a time before, so I'm going to use this. I prefer that it's clearer. So I'm going to download that. So as you can see, it's downloaded. So I'm just going to click on it. You see it appears here. So now reduce it with hovering my mouse to this edge and pressing my left mouse click button. I'm just going to reduce this so that it fits into one of these boxes. As you can see, just reduce it a bit. Perfect. Now we have that in the box. So now I'm going to go to upload again, and this time I'm going to find the coffee cup. Remember, we downloaded the coffee cup. So we'll just find it. This is it. So I'm just going to click open. So it's going to load in here. Once it's done loading in, we're just going to bring it in here. Remember, I told you at the beginning, this white background, because most of it will be on the free version, so you won't be able to remove this white background. What that simply means is you would have to put it on a white shirt, and I don't advise that because not everyone will buy a white shirt. Some want to buy a blue or black. Black is a very common color. So I advise you to check the first link in the description and just click on that link. Register for a Canva Pro account. You're going to get 30 days free on me. 30 days free on me. Trust me, that is the way I'm giving back. Apart from showing you how to design it, that's the best way to give back. So I'm giving it back. So I'm going to reduce this. Reduce it. Just try to place it in this box. And I'm going to duplicate this in every other box. Just duplicate this. So do that by pressing on our left Alt key button and just drag down. Just drag that down. So reduce it a bit. Just reduce it a bit. Okay, so now I'll duplicate that again. Duplicate that again. Duplicate that again. Duplicate that again. And I'll just do that, and then here we go. So now we have those fitted into the spot. So now we're just gonna put in our text up here. Just gonna put in our text. For this line, I don't want it to be white, so I'm gonna change the color. Just gonna change the color to something else. Let's make it brown, like so. Okay, just change it to brown. So we are good to go with that. So now we'll just go to text. Just find a regular text. Text. Okay, so now we'll do spot. The spot the odd one out. So that is it. Nothing too complicated. Not too complicated. So we're just going to drag this out. Just going to drag it out till it fits. Okay, we drag it out, see, till it fits perfectly. So now we have that as spot the odd one out. So I'm just going to change this color to, just going to change it to something different. Make it this brown. Okay, let's make it, okay, let's make it this brown. So now we'll have it say spot the odd one out. As simple as that. All we have to do now is to download it. Click on download. As you can see, we can't download the transparent background. You have to be a paid user to do that. So if you want to join the team and make passive income from print on demand, make sure you check out that link, the first link in the description. You get Canva Pro free on me. Then you can remove the background from your design. So now we'll just click on download. As you can see, so you get, follow the first link in the description to get it. So now let's check to make sure we have our design available. Double tap. As you can see, our design is available. So you can see it came with the white background. But if you're a pro user, you definitely would have ticked on with transparent background that you won't have this white background. So make sure you check out the first link in the description to get that. So with that, now you can go to Teespring, TeePublic, Match by Amazon, Redbubble, and upload your designs. If you upload it to this many sites, make at least 10 different designs a day. Upload it into a month, 2 months, 3 months. You should have about 300 to 3,000 designs, and your rest assured you'll be making close to 500 to 1,000 a month passively. You just sleeping. You've done the design, just sleeping and checking your account monthly. You should be making at least $500 to $1,000 monthly. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure you join the team, join the train, and make your own design. So with that, I'll just meet you in tomorrow's video. Stay blessed. One love.